What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's doing well. Today, we're going to do a quick video on how to search properties on the MLS. As always, if you guys have any questions, leave me a comment down below. This video is going to be pretty short, pretty simple and straightforward. And if you need more detail, again, please leave me a comment down below. Let's get into it. So let's say you're wanting to preview the market to just kind of get familiar with certain areas, or you just completed a buyer's consultation. You got the information on what types of homes they're looking for, and you want to see what's available on the MLS based on their needs. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to netris.net, Netreis.net, and you're going to log in. That's going to bring you here to this screen. So here are all of the applications that are associated with Netris. But for today's video, we're going to click on this one here that says Matrix. And that is going to bring you to this screen. If you scroll down, you will see news alerts, the hot sheet, market watch. These things are updated daily. In order to search certain properties, we're going to go up here to the top where it says search, but don't click. And you're going to scroll down to residential. And if you see up to the right, it says quick and it says detailed. We're going to use detailed, but I'm going to show you what both of them are because they're pretty simple. One just has a little bit more information. So if you click here where it says quick, it's going to bring you to this page. So if you notice, it has some general information, price, MLS number, total bedrooms, full baths, total square feet, acreage. And on the left over here where it says status, there's active, coming soon, active contingent, so on and so forth. And in the middle, it says map search. So you can click which state, which zip code, which city, subdivision, school district, however specific you want to get. But if you scroll down, you see that there's nothing here at the bottom of the screen. So if we scroll back up to the top and go to detailed, we see the same information here, but if you scroll down, it gets a lot more specific. So now you can choose the house type. You can choose the acreage. You can choose the lot description, the interior features, the garage, HOA, and so on and so forth. The detail is great if your buyer has very specific needs. However, be careful because this information has to be filled out by the listing agent accurately in order for it to pull up. So we scroll back to the top and you're wanting to look at active homes on the MLS. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over here to the left where it says status. You're going to uncheck all of the boxes except the one that says active. So if you notice down here where it says results and matches, we're going to try to get this number a little bit lower than 5,000 plus. So here where it says state, we're going to click off Texas. So in Louisiana, in our market, it's showing that we have 1,532 homes that are active currently. So we're going to try to get that number down a little bit more. So let's say you spoke to your buyer client and they're looking for homes that are between $215,000 and $250,000. So if you see here beside price where this box is checked, this is automatically adding in zeros to complete that 1,000. So that's why you only need to put the first 3 digits of the number depending on the price range. In this price range in our market in Louisiana, you see that number went down from 1,532 to 166. So we're narrowing it down. So here, let's say they're looking for a home that has 4 more bedrooms. You're going to click 4 plus. Now be careful because if you don't click that plus sign, it's only going to show you 4-bedroom homes. That may narrow your search down a little too much. So here where it says full baths, let's say that they're looking for 2 or more full bathrooms. So that brings our search down to 33. Where it says total square feet, let's say they're looking for a home that is 1,500 square feet or more, still 33. Okay, so let's say they're looking in Bossier area. Here in the middle where it says city, you're going to type in Bossier city, enter. That drops us down to 1. So in Bossier currently, that matches this description between 215, 250, 4 plus bedrooms, 2 plus bathrooms, and 1,500 plus square feet. That leaves us with 1 property. Let's expand that search, say that they're looking for Bossier and Benton. So we type in Benton. That brings us to 2. So you can play around with this. And if the search is too narrow, go around and play with these numbers a little bit. You can change it from 200 to 250. You can change it to 3 or more bedrooms. You can play around with the square footage. But for the sake of this video, we found 2 homes that match the description that the buyers were looking for. So at the bottom here, we're going to click results, and that's going to bring you to the single agent display. So here is the MLS number. Here's the home type. Here's the status where it says active. This is the home address, subdivision, the square foot of the property, the number of bedrooms, the number of total baths, the number of garage, acreage, pools, price. So in order to see this property, you're going to want to click on the MLS number, not the address, but the MLS number. So here it brings it to the data sheet for that property. So you can see here at the top has the address, it has the active status, the MLS number, it has the price here. LP stands for list price. OLP stands for original list price. So if they did a price cut on a home, this number is going to be lower than this number. If you scroll down, here's just all of the information that the agent put in about the property. So just so you can get familiar with it, subdivision is in Shady Grove, the legal description, the number of bedrooms, the number of bathrooms, the fireplace, full bathrooms, square footage, has the year that it was built, any HOA dues, and all of the features that the agent put in about the property. So scroll down, check it out. Here is the property description and any remarks. Here are the private remarks. Here, this information is only seen by the agents. You scroll down, it shows you the brokerage that has it listed, the agent that has it listed, and their contact information. And here it shows you how long it's actually been on the market. CDOM stands for current days on market. DOM stands for days on market. So let's scroll back to the top. If you want to look at the pictures of this property, you can either click through with the arrows, or you can actually click to expand, gives you a larger image, and you can click through it this way. So we get out of here. And also, we're going to go over these widgets up here a little bit later. If you click here, this is any information that the agent has uploaded about the property. So if there's private water and private septic, if there's any lead disclosure, lead-based paint disclosures, if there's any property disclosures, this is where you're going to click to get that information. And we're going to look at the second home, and that brings us to this one. And again, MLS number, address, more information about the property, property descriptions, current days on market, the brokerage listed, the agent who has it listed with that brokerage, and all of their contact information. And also, if you want to change some of the criteria, you click up here on this tab, and it's going to take you back to this page, play around with it a little bit more, maybe change the city, change the price, the total bedrooms, the square footage. If you want to also look and see what's coming soon, you could also click on this tab here just to increase that search a little bit more, so there's more than 2 properties that you're able to send your client or for you to check out yourself. That's all I have today, guys. I told you I wanted to make this video short and sweet. If you have any questions or comments, like I said, please leave me a comment down below. Also, if you found any value in this video, please like this video, subscribe so you can get notified for future content. Enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to work hard, stay focused, and be elite. And as always, thanks for watching.